Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Gonna catch you guys up to speed. Let's check in. So today's main goal and main focus is gonna be to finish getting this wiring harness out. The motor is pretty much ready to come out. The only thing we have to do is jack it up, pull the wheels off, disconnect the axles, take the exhaust off, and as far as I can see, just unbolt the motor mounts and she'll pull right out. So let's move on to the inside of the car and see what's left to get done in there. But today's main focus is that wiring harness, and then hopefully by the next video she comes out. So let's get posted. Alright, we got the whole dash ripped apart and everything looks to be in way better shape than I would have thought. So today's main focus is going to be that. We're going to work on that, get that out, clean up as much as we can, and get the car ready for the motor to come out in the next video. Alright guys, so we decided that we can't pull. We're just gonna push it through the car this time instead. We're gonna do that instead, so let's proceed with that. I'm gonna push it through the firewall instead of trying to pull it out through. Push it through. I got
First one's out, on to the second one. Alright guys, so that's it for the day. We got both of the harnesses that were through the firewall pulled out. Trying to get everything that we can out of the engine bay. So, because we're going to do like a small shave of the engine bay, some of the brackets and stuff that we don't need. So we are painting the engine bay before we put the VR6 in it. As you can see, tons of wires. But we will definitely get that cleaned up in the next video, just before we pull the axles and go to pull the motor. And then we'll be on to cleaning up the engine bay, which we will be filming and showing all of that. So like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.